Alright, yo, I had to check myself in the goddamn mirror real fast, make sure I don't look like I'm too big of a bum. I ain't really cut my hair today. But, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day today. If it's not great, tune in to make it better, because that's what we're about. And we're gonna hop into it. Tune in. Alright, so right now, I am meeting up with Jordan. We are heading out to the 3-year anniversary car event of Wolfgang Boosted, one of the car groups here in Charlotte, North Carolina. But right now I am eating some food from Texas Roadhouse, and I am not gonna cap, this shit is how Fresh Kid's been saying it now. So I kind of like, it's been making me say this shit slapping banging. Alright, we got Jordan behind us. We are heading over to Wolfgang's car show, and we're going to be 4 minutes late. That's not bad. That's not bad considering the circumstances, to be honest.
I feel it in my wrist because everything's so immobilized. Yeah. It's just good. 3 fingers like your chopsticks.
What's going on? What's going on?
It's a pain in the ass.
Shit.
My seats are not tan.
Yo, no, I want to look.
They're not tan. They're not fucking tan, bro.
It's clean.
They're light gray. They are light gray.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
What color is my interior? What color is my interior? No, it's not. Why?
He's right here, bro.
You already know. I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough before I give y'all cinematic. Hey, I don't think I've ever seen a GS in fucking hand cooks like this before. That's neat. You got Brandon. Dog.
A blessing. Save me about 1,000 minutes.
Okay. Damn. Got Fearless over here. Shoot. I'm about to get closer into that shit. Damn, I like how all the... Sheesh. I like how they all stayed up here too.
Yeah, niggas is just chilling, bro. Fucking fired, huh?
Right? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Somebody's smoking up here too.
Can't really smell it right now. I mean, they're right there, but you know.
I can't really smell it right now. Oh, there you go.
Shit. Good shit. Yeah, there's a lot of them.
I see a snake.
Wait, so y'all thought that's cute? Are you serious?
What's up?
You got a stock ass cute. Yeah, I couldn't get it. What?
Oh, yeah, that's luxury status.
What? I have luxury status.
Stop that. Ain't enough.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay, I see that. That's pretty valid.
What?
Meaty ass type.
What's the spec on that? That's gotta be 315.
That's that guy. He'll drag right
Yep. You got the 305 on there.
Oh, shit.
That's what I was thinking about putting on mine, but I'm like,
That's triple A.
It's expensive.
Oh, he got the triple A's. Oh, you don't fuck with us. No, fuck that. So it's quick.
I love seeing a nice real lesson Cobra.
I don't know, cause I got that shit.
Oh, don't. Boy, I see me from a roll, I will done you. We'll see what all 7 of my cylinders can do from a roll. I think. I don't even fucking know. You might win.
Nah,
I don't know the condition of that motor.
Oh, it depends.
It's fire up here though, like that ass.
Right. Damn. Okay. Follow most of these people on Instagram. Sheesh. Divine Culture always showing up.
Yeah, I'll follow you on my car.
Yo, this is sick.
I saw a couple of
Sheesh. Saw that guy on the pole.
Dude, I hate that question so much.
Oh, this is the first time seeing this in person. This 370Z. This is the first time seeing it in person. Damn. Ooh, that's fire.
I remember seeing the photo shoot pictures of it.
Only seen this in polls.
Yeah, polls, and I seen the photo shoot pictures.
Oh, and he got the rose gold lug nuts. That's dope.
I just realized how the A-pillars are black and it creates a two-tone.
Oh, he's in a car too. But yeah,
That's fire. That's fucking bad.
I ain't never seen nobody do that shit.
Yeah, I didn't right.
Oh, I'm sorry, JD. I see you.
You the vlogger, boy. Get all the footage you need, bro. If you need me to commentate, let me know.
Oh, okay. If I need you to commentate on this man. Commentate on this man right here.
This is James' car.
This is fire.
I fuck with that.
I love it.
That's fire. No worries.
I would say personally, if the front lip was carbon, that would set it off. Because he has the carbon mirrors.
Me true, but it's not like everything else is carbon. Like Cowell's not. He's got the leather guards. So it's not like it's out of place.
No,
That's fire though. That's like hella fire though, bro.
I like the camber and everything. It's just a well put together car. And they got, oh damn,
The wrap
the
snaps,
fucking
bro.
Louis Vuitton fucking roof box.
The
Sheesh.
wrap snaps. That's what I'm
Oh, and he kept it. Okay, I like that part. He actually kept it full carbon. That's sick. And the diffuser is carbon.
bro.
See?
Oh yeah, it is.
Sheesh.
That's different level.
Oh, and I like the tint too. You can literally see yourself in that shit. Dude, he had Louis Vuitton everywhere. I'm just like the details. Like you can't tell me this man and not go in on the details. Like,
Yeah.
bro.
He snapped on this one. He knew damn well
like
he didn't
it.
have to snap that hard, and he straight snapped on that, dog.
I like the last setup, but damn, this setup is fire. This setup, man. Davy's got my heart right now. Oh, okay, okay. I'll give this Mustang this. This is clean. It's on bags, I can tell.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I'll say this is a really clean, well put together Mustang. I don't like Mustangs like that. Very nice.
Eco stand, the ESRs.
Yes, sir. I was actually thinking about getting these for my BMW, but
2.3. I didn't even know it. It's like I knew it was the Eco Boost, but I didn't even know to put the 2.32 gas. I fucks with that. I really do like that.
that's it. Oh, wow. Dude, the camber in the rear. Jeez. Like, God. Shit. Oh, this is fire. This is like a whole ass race car.
That thing's smooth, bro.
Ooh.
I'll allow it.
This shit right here is nice.
Got orange pops.
Right. I've only seen this in pictures. That's crazy.
Bro, peep the rotors. Peep the rotors, dog.
Oh shit. That's details.
I like that.
Every car up here has details. I like that shit. I like that shit. Every car has details.
I like this. I still feel as though BRZs are heavily overdone.
They
That's
are.
not a bad car. Black and the black and white two-tone with carbon accents, silver wheels. That's fire.
Good car.
Oh, everybody knows Cameron's car, dog. You killed it. We already know, dog. We already know what you do, dog. It's fire. Shit.
Another. Oh wait. Oh. Okay.
What's this one?
Good point. This is the E90. So this is a 335i, obviously. No, it was the M3 I kept.
Yeah, it's got the M badge.
I kept. I thought
He said obviously, like he was right. That's crazy.
I kept. Nah, but this is fire though. Shut up. Damn.
You did it to yourself.
I would say that's how I'm gonna do my E90.
What?
Like just the overall. This looks like track stance.
Yeah,
I could do this.
I fuck with it.
Oh, we have the carbon side skirts. A little beat up.
Carbon?
Yeah.
Oh, it's carbon. Oh, you got a little
See,
tack there.
yeah. That's
But
the only
I
thing.
didn't even notice it was carbon.
Oh, I got.
It just looked black.
I wonder where he got these mirrors. Cause I don't have these.
Are those stock?
I don't know. Cause they don't.
Might be something to look into.
I like those mirrors. I just seen that shit. Like they look like gainer doors, but they're not gainer doors.
Contact sport.
God damn. I'm gonna take a picture of this real quick. Henny Bala on the cranes. Yeah, court queens. Court. Ooh. That's a woman, dog. This shit is well put together.
I like it.
It's really clean. It's well put together. Oh, they have the little teddy bears in the back. I like this a lot.
Hey, I'm trying to, man.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, this shit's fucking mint. Sheesh.
It's fucking fire right now, bro. And I'm sure that
He make the cut.
you can't gap. Huh? You can't gap him.
I know. Is this shit allowed?
Yeah, no, I feel that.
He's fast, but like,
He fast, man.
okay, I definitely didn't see these cars. I like this a lot. Shit. This one just got completed. Yeah, this shit is fire. There are Supras in here. Oh, this is the only Supra. Seems like TSXs out here today. Interesting. Huh.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Sick. Sick. Hip. Don't say it like that. don't say it like
Don't hear it like that.
I can't.
Regularly. Don't hear it.
I cannot not hear that any more differently than how you said it.
See, I need to add something to my front bumper. Because my car is like a whole lot lower than a lot of cars. But my front bumper just ends so early. I need a lip. I need something.
And I have a front lip.
I didn't notice you had a front lip. Where that? I don't see it.
Nah, it's these two things right here.
Oh, okay.
They cost $180.
Okay.
Hey, guess what? Guess what? I ain't paid for it. You came with the car.
Well, then you paid for it.
I got that whole bit. I got that.
It still works.
I swear to God, all I need is some coilovers. This car could be like a show car.
Niggas over there eating some greasy pieces, saying, bro, I can't enjoy my...
Alright, so we are out. We got shut down.
Because, you know, what else was going to happen?
Well, I mean, we were on our best behavior, so it wasn't that bad.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
What'd you say?
Oh shit. You're
It's fine.
Yo, why you got
mute the audio.
I didn't know you were actually doing it.
Yo, goofy ass nigga, bro.
I did not know you were making a story.
Did you just feel the temperature difference when you go on this?
I did not know you were making a story.
That's your goofy ass. Alright, bro. I'll see you around.
Alright,
I
man.
gotta go get some food because I'm dying.
I feel you. But yeah, like I said, it's getting shut down because, yeah, people are complaining downstairs who are trying to eat their food. I don't really blame them, I guess. But it's all good. Definitely saw a lot of nice cars, and there's a lot of inspiration to get this car better in a better place. So I'm gonna book it on home, get the editing. I'll catch you guys in the next video, I guess.